Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Bisaf from InCred Equities. Nifty witnessed intense pressure day before. That was after the additional announcement of 25% tariffs on Indian goods. However, it can also be taken as a positive sense that last time when the tariffs were announced, Nifty had fallen 1,500 points, and on the very same day, it had fallen 400 points and above. So on that part, Nifty has been more or less little bit more rewarding in that sense. And another thing that has happened is the gap has been filled. So this is something which you spoke earlier that if gaps are filled, then also it is positive, and if it is not filled, then also it is positive. There's nothing to worry about at this point in time. So as long as 24,500, 600 sustain, we are back in the game. And if that is taken out, then again there will be some time correction. We may approach 24,000 levels. There were multiple positives at lower levels because of which we had anticipated a bounce back. So let us see if there is a sustainability happening, if there's a follow through happening today, if we have another 100 pointer and Nifty closing towards low point of day, then that will mean that this time we may head towards 24,000 and may even break those levels. But again, there are many moving parts around, and let us see how that pans out. If you look at the US markets, we are not seeing any sort of correction over there. That is also going towards time correction. And we have seen a minor upside yesterday, 25-30 bips. While there was, it did end in a positive note, but at the end of the day, it was more of a flattish session, more of a time correcting session than a positive one. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 30 points cut as we speak, so in all likelihood will open on a flattish note. As I said, let us see how Nifty pans out. For traders, if Nifty sustains about 24,750, 760 spot, an early close about this, keep a stop loss of 100 points, play for 24,000 levels. 25,000, which had earlier a very strong put writing, has now translated to a strong writing by the call writers. So then that will become an immediate hurdle. So that can be a decent trade to speak of. It's a stock specific market. Do not be too aggressive. There is going to be incremental volatility, and that might be the case for the next 1 week or so. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.